Can you put the teddy bear in the fort, buddy? Show everyone the new fort that Daddy made you? Oh. What? No, you can't have Mommy's phone. Where's the teddy bear? Where's the teddy bear? Go get him. He's lonely. Go get your teddy bear. Go get your teddy bear, bud. Can you go get your teddy bear? You want to get a book? I read to you? Get a book. Go get a book. Get your book. Good boy. Bring it to Mom. Bring me your book, bud. Can you bring me that book? Bless you. Bring me the book. Bring me the book. Good boy. I read Clifford's First Halloween.